Hi friends, hopefully you are fine and healthy. Today I will tell you about USA Liberty quarter dollar coin. Greetings, fellow coin enthusiasts and curious viewers. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore, the United States of America Liberty quarter dollar 1970 coin. We'll dive into its design, history, and, of course, the intriguing myth about its value, and whether it's worth millions in everyday circulation. So, let's get started. Design and history. Before we tackle the value, let's take a moment to appreciate the design and history of this remarkable coin. The United States Liberty quarter dollar 1970, part of the Washington Quarter Series, features a captivating profile of our nation's first president, George Washington, on the obverse. Display coin. Here's the coin in all its glory. The reverse showcases a detailed image of an eagle, representing freedom and American heritage. The myth about millions. Now, let's address the myth about this coin being worth millions. This rumor has circulated in the world of coin collecting, leaving many to believe that they might have a fortune in their pockets. Face value. In reality, the face value of the United States Liberty quarter dollar 1970 coin is 25 cents. If you find one in your change or coin jar, it's worth just that, 25 cents. Condition matters, however, the value can vary based on the coin's condition. Uncirculated or mint-state coins, those with sharp details and original luster, are often more attractive to collectors and can be worth more. Rarity. It's important to note that the 1970 Washington quarter is not considered a rare coin. Millions of these were minted and circulated widely, so it's not a coin typically found in the million-dollar category. Reference to current value. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, the 1970 Washington quarter typically has a value around 25 cents for circulated coins. Uncirculated examples may be worth slightly more to collectors, but they're not in the millions category. Conclusion. In conclusion, while the United States Liberty quarter dollar 1970 coin may not be worth millions in regular circulation, it remains a significant part of American numismatic history. Its true value often lies in its condition and collector appeal. Whether you're an avid collector or simply curious about coins, this coin has a story to tell. If you found this video informative, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more coin-related content. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, happy collecting!